Life is a miracle in the universe, and life currently known only exists on Earth. So, how did the abundance and diversity of life on Earth come into being? To explain this, in the mid-19th century, Darwin came up with the famous theory of evolution. He believed that all living things, including humans, have evolved from the most primitive life on the Earth through countless small and gradual changes in the long process of evolution. Although the theory of evolution caused many controversies at the time it was proposed, over time it was found to be able to rationally explain a large number of biological phenomena. At the same time, the view of evolution is supported by numerous fossil evidences, which have gradually become widely accepted. After a long period of development and refinement, the theory of evolution has now become the mainstream theory in the scientific community and is recognized by most scholars. However, the theory of evolution does not perfectly explain all the phenomena of biological evolution. For example, the Cambrian explosion of life, which occurred more than 500 million years ago, is considered a major puzzle for evolutionary theory. The Cambrian period began about 542 million years ago and lasted about 58 million years. The fossil record shows that during the early Cambrian period of about 20 million years, a large number of new species suddenly appeared on Earth. During this period, a variety of organisms such as brachiopods, sponges, arthropods, demodicas, and chordates emerged rapidly, and at one time there were more than 50 phyla. In contrast, there are only more than 30 phyla of organisms on the modern Earth, about 90% of which can be found in the Cambrian fossil record. This phenomenon of a large number of species appearing at the same time in a relatively short period of time seems to contradict the slow and continuous evolutionary process described by the theory of evolution, so the Cambrian explosion of life has become an unsolved mystery in the history of the evolution of life on Earth. Darwin himself was puzzled by this phenomenon, even believing that it might be a strong argument against evolution. However, he suggested a possible explanation. These species did not appear suddenly, but evolved gradually from earlier organisms, but because they are mostly small mollusks that are difficult to fossilize, we have not yet found evidence of this. However, with the deepening of scientific research, a large number of prokaryotic remains have been found in the fossil sediments of the Precambrian period, making Darwin's hypothesis insufficient. In this regard, scientists have proposed a variety of theories to explain the soft underbelly of this evolutionary theory. The following is a popular speculation, but it should be noted that this is only a hypothesis and has not been conclusively confirmed. By the early Cambrian period, more than 500 million years ago, the Earth's climate warmed up rapidly, and the oxygen supply was abundant, and the environment during this period became extremely suitable for life. After the extremely cold Ice Age, life on Earth ushered in an explosive growth, and in the next 20 million years, a large number of new species evolved, forming the Cambrian explosion of life, an important biological event.